Yeah, news stories are those like Black Rifle. I mean,
right, exactly. Yeah.
I mean, that's an exciting, quick comment from you on that. And then I'll go to Biolsi on, because I know that he's the one modeling it. But there's a brand that, you're in this fourth turning where a lot of people are looking for a new patriotic American brand. I of all the names that all of you, not just you and Biolsi, follow, I can't find one that's newer or more on point in terms of that than this one. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, no, absolutely. And it's addictive product too, right? So coffee is that kind of addictive product that you're going to come back to it every day because you want to drink your coffee in the morning every day. And when they get their stores, and the story's just beginning, and I'll let Daniel talk more about Black Rifle, but as I think about it, they start opening up their outposts, as they call them, their stores, right? That's just going to expand brand awareness, which is going to expand, the wholesale sales and the coffee sales, which is exactly what Starbucks did, right? They did it inversely. Starbucks built the stores first, and then they built their CPG presence in supermarkets. But the same compounding effect is going to happen to Black Rifle over time. But you're absolutely right. The other name that I would add, Keith, which is not, Dutch Bros has a very similar appeal today, where it really does attract that millennial younger consumer. And it's a high margin, again, sort of addictive sugary drink that people come back for over and over again. So I would put Bros in there too, not the same way you talked about Black Rifle, but those are two of the newer brands in the restaurant space, the shiny new pennies in the restaurant space that have great growth.
Biolsi, anything else on that? I know that, this one, like, to me, when Howard says it that way, it's a market cap story. It's not a, you're not going to give me some cash flow revenue valuation model to justify it. I mean, this thing's tiny relative to what it could be.
Right. And like Howard said, as they open up those outposts, I think the brand will really get going and you interact with it. And one thing I'll add is that they're like half veteran employees, and those outposts will probably be a little higher percentage than, corporate. So, you're going to be interacting with a lot of veterans, and I think that will help with the the interaction with the brand. That's what it's about. So if you're interacting with people who've served, I think that just makes a little bit more of a difference than maybe a barista who doesn't wish you were there. So
doesn't wish you were there. Oh, we haven't had that experience at a Starbucks where it's also like a homeless shelter in terms of the toilet, is it? But guys like my dad, I mean, they're like, he's a serviceman. As soon as he sees a place like that, he'll go there every day. I mean, that's my point. Is it your massive market share opportunity? It's only a $3 billion cap as of yesterday.
Right. And they still have a lot of growing to do, and having those outposts are going to grow those dollars quicker, than those DTC sales of bags of coffee.
Yeah. I mean, I know some people get frustrated or triggered. That's how we are as humans. Like when I poo-poo like the cool story stock ideas, but literally I've only added one since December, and this is it. And it's worked. Not marginally either. It's up 90% since December, with the market down a lot. So, the real-time alerts hit the button on that yesterday.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.